guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are at IKEA. They finally opened. I know I ain't got no makeup on. I learned that they were open last night and I was like, let me hurry up and get to the store. So we're gonna go in here. I've got my mask and hand sanitizer, and I'm going to show you guys around. We're going to shop with me, and I'm going to get some of the things that I was about to literally place an order for 2 nights ago, and then last night realized that they had reopened in Houston. So yeah, if you guys are interested and you want to see this video, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up so you get more videos like this from me and you never miss another video when you click that subscribe button. Okay, so let's just get into it.
Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.
Alright, so let's get into this haul. This is gonna be like no rhyme or reason, just craziness, and I will try to link everything and also like put prices up because I probably don't remember them off the top of my head. But yeah, so, and then I cannot pronounce like any of this stuff here because I'm not Swedish. So yeah, check the description box for sure. So these two bowls, they're the same bowls. I think they're like, again, I'm gonna put the name. I don't even see the name on here, actually. I think they're like I'll write it somewhere on this screen somewhere. But these two bowls are like serving platters or serving dishes. Sorry, y'all, with the dog. These are two serving dishes, and I think they were $2.49 a piece. I just thought that they were really cute, and they went with the plates that I bought. And the plates, here are the plates. I got 6 of these, and these were 79 cents a piece. They kind of remind me of like the Corningware. They're really thin, but they seem durable, and they kind of have like a beveling around the whole plate. They also had like the smaller dinner plates and the regular bowls. I got these because I thought like salad bowls and things like that would be great. I hate using the regular bowls for salads because it just seems like, I don't know, I don't like it. I like the wider bowls for it. So I got these for those, and I got 6 of these. These were 79 cents, and I got 6 of the plates, and they were 79 cents. Next, I got these queen pillows. They are the Hampton. That's what they look like. They were like this, and they were $2.50 a piece, which is cheaper than like the cheap ones from Walmart or Target. And these felt so much better. You'll see that in the clip prior to these, you'll see in the shop with me, I was able to touch them and show you guys what they looked like out of the packaging. So yeah, these were really nice. Next, I got these 2 rugs. They are a Sorso rugs, and they were $3.99 a piece. And I just like how they're like woven rugs. They're pretty durable. They're thick, and they have like a little fringe on them. And I see a lot of people do DIYs on YouTube with them. Even though I saw a lady do pillows, and I'm like, geez, this would make a humongous pillow with two of these. But yeah, they were $3.99 a piece. Next, I got these little curtains. They are like sheer, and they were $4.99. And it comes with 2 of them in there. So you really cannot beat that for sheer curtains. I will probably add these to either our bedroom or London's bedroom. So just to give a little something cute when you open a regular blind, you know what I mean? I got 4 of these 20 by 20 pillows. They didn't have the covers that I was looking for. The aisles, again, as you saw in the shop with me part, were a little bare. They are just opening, I get it. But yeah, I got 4 of these. These are $6 a piece. They have $3 ones, but I did not like they didn't expand and get like really big, whereas these get pretty big and they expand. These, like this 3-set utensils, it comes with a little slotted spatula, some tongs, and a spoon. And it was $1.29 for all 3 of these, and I thought that was fairly cheap. Next, I got, so the Dollar Tree sells these for $1 in white, but I wanted a black one because the kids' bathroom will be black and white, or the main bathroom, the guest bathroom, So I got a black one. So the next thing I got was this fork, or this silverware set. It comes with 4 small spoons, small forks, a big spoon, big fork, and knives. I really liked this one because it came with the smaller silverware too. That way I didn't have to buy the kids their plastic ones anymore, because I think that they're at the point where both of them can use actual silverware, but they can just use the smaller version. All right, so next I got 2 of these, what is this called? What are these? It's like it's a picture shelf, but I'm gonna use them as bookcases or bookshelves, I think. I already have a couple of these for Logan's, but I thought London could use them for books or pictures in her room also. I got this cute little ceramic teapot. I don't see the name of what it's called, but it's usually, I think, $11.99 or $12.99. I think somewhere around there. And it was on sale for $4.99. So I bought it. All right, so next I got this picture of behoved, don't know. But it's insulated, and it holds, don't know how many ounces, but it keeps cold drinks cold, hot drinks hot. So yeah, and I think that it goes really cute with the Chrissy Teigen pot set that I have. The color, I think, matches it almost perfect. So I thought that it was really cute to pass up. And last but not least, I got myself a drill. It's called a Fixa. It is 7 volts, I think, 7.2. And it was $19.99. It comes with flatheads with, what are those things called? Allen wrench heads, Phillips heads, and then it comes with 2 drill bits. And this is what you put the stuff in right there. So yeah, it's just like really basic. I got this really for my craft area. So yeah, nothing too fancy schmancy. They had a smaller one, but it didn't come with the drill bits. So I decided to get this one with the drill bits because I think it was like $3 less. So that is the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me and seeing what I got. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That way I know that I can keep giving this kind of content. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.